So, intermediate final here at Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Intermediate final. Host got the host shot.
Naka-host mga higala.
Halaka! The bullet! Wow! Halaka! The bullet! Anton Cortez got the whole shot. Para, nang lupa na! La la la! Wow! Oy! Fernandez na ang second! Wow! La la! Fernandez on the second, Anton Cortez on the lead. Ara to ara. La la. The bullet versus Nonoy Fernandez. Hoy. Hoy. Wow. La. Hoy. Inside. Anton. Inside. La. Wow. Up. Inside. La. Ahoy. Fernandez down the lead. Anton Cortez on second. Ayun no. Nakauna taga Dumangas, Iloilo. Ikaduha taga Kiblawan. La. Wala Arangis on third. Ara. Wow. La. Estel on the lead from Dumangas, Iloilo. Ara to ara. Wow. Nonoy Fernandez on second, Anton Cortez on third. It's John Paul Arangis. Up. Ara. La. Inside Anton, outside Arangis. Ay. La. Wow. Battle of second. La. Grabe. Butan. Morines. Tumulin and Bibilio. Ala, dikit ang laban. Battle of second. Wow. Papakanay, Anton Cortez versus Jampol Arangis. Battle of second guys. Nonoy Fernandez. Unti-unti nang lumalayo. Ala. Wow. Gandang laban guys. Grabe pawirang Nonoy Fernandez. Allah. Oops. La. Allah. Downhill. Wow. Allah. Inside Anton, outside Arangis. Allah. Agay, nakuha agad. Arangis na on second. Anton Cortez on third. La. Wow. Estel on the lead. Nonoy Fernandez. Wow. Second, Jampol Arangis. Third, Anton Cortez. Fourth, Ethan Butan. Kirk Morines versus Philip Bibilio. Wow. And then Gunying Tumulin. McLaren Villacorta. Grabe pawirang Nonoy bay. Nonoy Fernandez on the lead. Break away na. And then Jampol on second. Third, Anton Cortez. Pawirang Nonoy guys. Araw. Grabe. Grabe Nonoy Fernandez. Araw. Arangis on second. Anton Cortez on third. Wow. Ethan Butan. Oh. Break away na, Nonoy Fernandez guys. Break away na. Jampol on second. Anton Cortez on third. Ora. Grabe pawirang Nonoy guys. Taro. Naghaguros. Gilingi pang kontra eh. Sana kayo. Hello. Wow. From Dumangas, Iloilo, Nonoy Fernandez. Ayun o. Ika Jampol Arangis. Anton Cortez on third. Wow. And then Bebelio na on fourth. Nawala si Ethan Butan. Wow, Tumulin versus Kirk Morines. Grabe, pawirang Nonoy guys. Nonoy Fernandez, grabe. Araw. Wow. Wili-wili pa, wili-wili oh. Wili-wili pa Nonoy Fernandez oh. So, Jampol Arangis, Yapon second. Third, Anton Cortez. Jampol on second. The bullet on third. Wow. And then Bebelio. Kirk Morines, Gunying, Tumulin. And McLaren. White flag na guys, white flag. White flag. Grabe Nonoy Fernandez bike, haguros. Ayun no. Waiting for checkered flag. Nonoy Fernandez, Jampol Arangis, and Anton Cortez. Champion! Grabe Nonoy Fernandez bhai. Second, Jampol. Third, Anton. Fourth, Bebelio. Fifth, it's si Kirk Morines and McLaren Villacorta. Checkered flag. Congrats.